Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for visiting. About to pull the console, top of this console, and the shift knob out of a Toyota 4Runner 2016. Pull this metallic trim, pull the lid up, grab the knob, spin it off. Then you're going to get a hold of this. You might want to pull the cup deal out, or just grab the edge and pull up real hard. Grab the back or other side. Get it loose. Then you can pull up on the front. You got it out. Throw it into neutral. Put the e-brake on. And you can lift this up. And you're going to have to unplug this, and your four-wheel drive selector. But it's pretty easy to do. There's one. There's two. And it's out. Okay, that's how to remove your console trim, metallic console trim, cup holders, and four-wheel drive selector. Alright, I hope that helped you out. Hope you make it through your project. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you back here again later. Peace.